My name is Scott Wingerter, and I am a board-certified orthopedic surgeon with specialty training in hip and knee replacement, reconstruction, and preservation. I have been in practice since 2013, performing arthroscopic surgeries and replacements. After receiving my medical degree at New York Medical College, I completed my residency and PhD at the University of Mississippi Medical Center. I then completed my fellowship training at Washington University in St. Louis. I love golf, wine, and traveling. My wonderful wife and I have 2 young daughters, so a lot of our time is spent going to our little ones' activities, traveling together, and spending time in the pool when the weather is nice. I work hard at being dependable, trustworthy, and easygoing, whether I'm with patients, friends, or family. Almost nothing makes me happier than connecting with my patients and seeing them get their lives back. Arthritic pain significantly limits our necessary and fun activities in life. Joint replacement allows patients to get back to those activities without pain. With the recent addition of Mako Robotics to my practice, we can now offer advanced technology that delivers incredible results to patients of all ages. In fact, that's the best part about KCOA to me. Our ability to offer top-level care with the most advanced technologies and the highest levels of subspecialty training. If you have any questions about the Kansas City Orthopedic Alliance, please contact our office. It would be our honor to care for you. You can find me at the KCOA office in Leawood as well as at St. Luke's Medical Plaza. When you're one of my patients, you are a part of your treatment team. I am not here to make decisions for anyone. My job is offering as many options as possible and helping us come to the best choice for you.